Hi everyone, it's Dr. Krupa here. Welcome to my Oily Life video. Today I'm going to talk to you about VitaFlex therapy. So the inspiration for this video comes from my patients. They will often ask, hey doc, what can I do at home to stay in alignment, to help myself stay in alignment? And I give different recommendations, but this is a technique that I lately started really talking about and experimenting with myself because I understand, we need to take more responsibility for our health and well-being, and we can't just go to a practitioner and drop our tired, overstimulated body on their table and expect miracles. So I'm really passionate about teaching you about the VitaFlex therapy, okay? You can use oils, essential oils, in addition or with this technique, or you can do this by yourself, with no oils. So this dates back to ancient Tibet, and Stanley Burroughs popularized it in the West. He did extensive research, about 50 years of research on this technique. It's super simple, and it has to do with the reflexes of the body. So it's a similar concept like acupuncture, where we find a point somewhere in our body that stimulates the vitality and the flow of energy and chi, or what in chiropractic we call life force. And so this way we stay healthy and vital because we circulate this life-giving energy. So VitaFlex is super simple. What you're going to do is, let's say, you're going to pick an oil, whichever oil you're using right now for self-care. I used ginger the other day because I'm working on my kidney health, and I did the VitaFlex technique along the lines and points of kidneys on my feet and up to my legs. So whatever is working for you, whichever oil or whichever system or point you want to work on, you can utilize this technique along those lines, okay? So you're going to simply, let's say you would drop the oil on the palm of your hand, circle it 3 times, that activates the oil, and then distribute it, on your fingertips, on all 4 fingertips. If you're doing a larger area, if you're doing a small area, you would just use the index and the middle finger. Okay, and it basically looks like this. You're touching with the pads of your fingers, you're rolling over onto your nail, and then onto the knuckle. Okay, so it's a rolling motion, just like that. And if you're fluid with it, a little quicker, it looks like this. A great point or set of points to do is the bottom of your foot along the inner edge, starting with the heel all the way to your big toe. That represents the spine. And just doing that, sitting there and on your couch, taking an oil. If you're feeling under the weather, for instance, you can do tea tree if you feel like something's coming on, or thieves if you want to relax, or after your chiropractic adjustment, you might do Valor on your feet and just VitaFlex the inside of your foot from the heel to the big toe, and that will help to set everything in, okay? So experiment, let me know how you like it, how it's working for you, which oils you're using for self-care these days, and I welcome comments below. Of course, subscribe, give me thumbs up, let me know how you're liking these videos. Thanks so much. See you next time.